On today's show, we are going to make a Nutella dessert. We're going to be using some Pillsbury pie crust, and we're even going to put a cherry on top. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. To make these, we use Pillsbury pie crust. Now I brought one out already. Also, you'll find them in these little packages here too that you can use. Now this is a 2-pack, so I only need one. So I'll put that back in the refrigerator. And then you'll want to use a pan and some parchment paper. I buy them like this from the grocery store. They're pre-cut, pre-made. Saves a lot of time messing around cutting things. Just like this. Here's our Nutella. Brand new. That smells good. And we have some pie dough. Now, you may have to spread out some flour. I guess we're going to find out. I've made stuff in the past with this and I haven't done the pie dough, so I'm thinking I might get away without it today. Let's see. This is a pretty nice cutting board that I have. Things don't stick to it. And you know, the ones that I showed you over there, the Baker square ones, those are actually more square and more long than this. But there's only the two of us, so I didn't really want to make a lot of this. And you can cut and square this up if you want. I think I'm just going to smear this on here and just see how it goes. So looks like it's pretty thick. And whether or not you want to eat this as a diabetic, that's up to you. If you're like most of us, you have family members that are not diabetics, and they can eat it. It's nice to make a treat for them once in a while instead of making them eat cookies made out of whole wheat flour that I made one time. They weren't very good, I'll tell you. So here we go. We're just smearing this out, and this I had out at room temperature so it would start to soften. To be honest with you, it looks like chocolate cake filling. You just have to spread it out here. Trying not to get it on the cutting board, but trying to spread it out. And you can put it on as thick as you want. I have the oven preheating to 425, so it's all set and ready to go. Just like this. This is really simple to make. Now, all you need to do is to roll this. Just like this. I'm going to roll it tighter than I'm getting it there. It'd be better to be a little tighter. And then you can cut off your ends. Square it up. And then you can start cutting them up however thick you want. Just like this. Then you want to take your cookie sheet and you want to lay these out on here. And you could use both that came in the box if you got a big family and you got to make a lot of this. I'll probably have a couple of these and give the rest of them to Barb. I got to taste them. So for now, that's what it looks like. And we can go ahead and put these in the oven. We are down to the last few seconds. And it is time to take these out, and we'll see what they look like. here's a tip for you when you're cooking this dough, and if it's dough that's made for a pie, don't follow the instructions on the box, because that was made to have a pie and pie filling. I would just put them in the oven just for a few minutes, go 5 or 10 minutes, put them in the oven, and then bring them out and take a look at it. Hot. And then we have a cherry to put on top. And to put the cherry on top, I would just kind of push in with my finger, make a dent. Now these are hot because I'm filming, I'm trying to do it fast, but you just want to make a dent with your finger, and then you can put the cherry on top. Good looking cherries here. And there we go. That is the show for the day. And if you'd like to see a couple more dessert type recipes, here's 2 more just like it.